All right. How's everyone doing today? You guys doing good? Well, yes, I am live today. Just for a little bit. I won't be live for a while. But anyways, um, let me just do something real quick and then I'll get you guys started or get started with the stream or the coverage. Anyways, so yeah, all right. All right, let's go and get started. So hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing all right. Today I am live on Electro and Weather because I am going to be covering the severe weather in the deep south and southeast today. We've had a few tornadoes treading along in the southeast, so um, yes. So today we do have an enhanced. Let's go ahead and take a look at our little 4 panel we got here and show you guys the risk we have. So today we have a 10% chance along the southern part of Georgia. And it looks like we do also have a 30% hatched of hail today and a hatched wind risk. So 30%. So today looks like it might be a pretty interesting day. It so far has been a pretty interesting severe weather event for some of those in the south. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out our um, NAN 3 kilometer here. So as we are seeing, we're seeing a pretty decent line going. Well, this looks like that it happened a bit earlier. But this is currently what's happening right now. We have our line that is right now impacting those in southern Georgia. And then looks like we have a few clusters of cells in Alabama that are going to move through Georgia, which could potentially bring some severe like conditions. So the HRRR is showing something very similar as well, except it looks like that it does show storms forming in southern Alabama moving through Georgia um, at this time. So let's go and take a look at the some of the stuff that we're going to be seeing today. And so right now, today we're going to be seeing temperatures of around or before the cold front comes through, we're going to be seeing temperatures of around um, mid 70s to lower 80s. Of course, this here is all that cold air that's going to be moving down from the northwest. But and then it looks like that we have a okay. It looks like that we just have that big cold air mass that comes through from the northwest as those storms do move through. So, so we're going to take a look at some of our gate values according to the NAM 3 kilometer. And as we are seeing, we're seeing most of our cape being in mid Alabama, central Alabama, and Mississippi. But right here is where our line of storms are coming from the northwest. And as we are seeing, it looks like that it just gulps up all that energy that is in the atmosphere, our K values, which means convective available potential energy. So, yeah, this is pretty much thunderstorm energy. And we pretty much need this for those big severe weather events that we are seeing. Of course, today isn't really the biggest severe weather event, but it is significant. We've had a few tornado warnings today in Georgia and Florida. So bulk shear amounts, as we are seeing here. Of course, we can see where our lines of storms are. We're seeing a decent amount of that. So looks like right there we're seeing looks like over 100 knots, but that's in front of the line of storms. And then we're seeing pretty much seeing from 70 to 50 knots. So DMs, also hello Stormix, how you doing? Hope you're doing all right. Um, okay, so our mod Giovanna has sent us this. Let me get rid of that. So he sent us this, and okay, here just watch. So this is a tornado touching down in Lockett, Texas. That was yesterday. So we did have a tornado threat yesterday. I mean, yeah, you can just see that tornado really well, though. And of course, we're seeing our debris cloud going on around the tornado right there, as we are seeing. Hello, weatherman of the north. Hope you're doing okay. So yes, credit to Giovanna sending me that video. I think this was also from yesterday as well. We can kind of see that touchdown going from the funnel to the ground. We're seeing that debris going up in the air right there. So yeah, so we're seeing a decent tornado threat today. Let's go and take a look at our dew points. So most of our dew points, and this is the reason why we're seeing most of that severe weather um, being in the south, being on the near the coast, is because of all this moist air that's down here. So if it were to be all this moisture being up here, then we would probably be seeing a very major severe weather outbreak because that is where a lot of our convective air is. So it's all up in the here, but due to the um, dew points not being, or the lack of moist air, let's say that, um, we're not seeing too much going on up here. We're seeing it all going on down here. So, which is good news for those in Georgia and Alabama because if that was the case, and we would be seeing a very large severe weather outbreak. Um, and then as we, okay, yeah, and then here's our line of storms again, according to the NAM 3 kilometer. This is right now what we're seeing, and then we're seeing some storms building behind that. Here's our low pressure system. And then that all moves into the state of Georgia, and then it does look to be like it is fizzling out. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what we are. Let's go and see what's going on currently. And yes, according to the NAM, this right here is our big, huge line of storms that is affecting those in southern Georgia. Um, and as I know, there is a tornado watch in effect. So, so when you look at this storm here, as we are seeing, this is, of course, severe warned. That is a very interesting severe warning, but winds excessive 60 miles an hour. So this is producing some pretty good wind in Chattahoochee. I think it's Florida. Yes, it is Florida on the border. Um, so I think this one was tornado warned earlier. We're seeing some straight line winds with this one right in through here. And so that looks like it'll continue moving to the east. So it looks like we could potentially have something, a little something going on in here. Um, so too much going on the CC. But yes, very interesting storm line coming going on in Florida currently. Let's see what's going on here. Is there a closer one? Yes, there is. There is VAX. So this was also another one that I was looking at as well. 70-mile-an-hour gusts. So this is producing a lot of wind. So yeah, this is producing a pretty decent wind event. For those in southeast Georgia. So we have a few rural areas in the path of this storm that will be potentially impacted. So Um, yeah, there is not much going on today, but I am just streaming because, of course, I said I would, but I might get thunderstorms on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday is looking really interesting. I might actually make a video on that. Actually, no, let's just go national. So it's right here's our current severe weather event. So that moves off the coast. And then we have this other thing that'll be happening on April 29th. Very large line of storms. So low pressure system coming off from our west. So it's got something to do with all of this that's out here. And then this moves in to the Midwest, producing a lot of severe weather in a lot of areas. So huge line that we're seeing here. This could potentially be a very widespread event. How about Northeast Wisconsin on Tuesday? Tuesday looks like well, for Northeast Wisconsin. Okay, so it looks like that we are seeing maybe some showers and thunderstorms going through the northeastern part of Wisconsin. Um, it looks like we were seeing a little band of snow going through from the Dakotas into Minnesota. So that's interesting to see in April. Very, quite rare, actually. It's been a very cold spring this year so far, and a very late start to severe weather season because now we're seeing some of our biggest storms start up now this season. Yeah, a lot of snow going on there. Let's see those accumulations actually. I'm kind of interested to see that. Yeah, okay, 5 inches of snow. Isolated areas of maybe half a foot in the Dakota, in South Dakota, all in through here. So small little snow band, as I've seen, kind of comes from the, hold on. So it comes from the northwest. No, it comes from the low pressure system that comes in from the Pacific. And then all of this here kind of it produces this huge band of snow that moves from the Dakotas into Minnesota, and it looks like it's producing decent amounts of snow. Look at the NAM model and then the SCP. Hold on. So this is just the regular NAM model. They said it would be warm. Yeah. They said it would warm up again, but doesn't look like that's going to happen for those up in the upper Midwest section, which is a bit unfortunate, but hopefully as May arrives, things will start warming up a lot. So for Monday and Tuesday, wait for Northeast Wisconsin, right? Oh wow. Okay, yeah, wow. That's showing some snow going on up there. And there's all that snow, all those bands of snow that I showed you guys on the Euro. But yeah, here's that thing that'll potentially happen on Monday and Tuesday, April 26th and April 27th. Looks like some areas will be seeing an inch. I was about to say a foot. No, an inch. And then supercell composite. Oh, there it is. Okay. That's very interesting. So we're seeing all of this um supercellular energy down here, but then it's gonna snow. Which that's very interesting to see. So this is that big band of snow. Or that yeah, that band of snow that forms in the Dakotas, and then it moves up into um northeast Wisconsin and Michigan, upstate the upper part of Michigan. I forgot what that's called. I don't know if you guys can remind me what that's named, but yeah, they will potentially be seeing some snow. 19, yeah. When it's literally going to snow, which is interesting. So, I mean, and it's literally now coming into late April, and we're still seeing snow in some spots in the US, which is not very common to see at all. Um, I mean, the Dakotas and Minnesota are about to see snow potentially. What area did you want to know its name? Upstate Michigan, this part. I forgot what it's called. I did unfortunately forget what that was called, but is it called like Huron something or Superior Huron? I don't know. It's the name of this link which I forgot about. For some reason I forgot the lake name. Upper Michigan, okay. So there's another name for it too than that. Still something to do with the name of this lake here. Like the really big Great Lake. Lake Superior. Okay, yeah. Lake Superior. Yeah, I was a bit confused on that. It looks like Upper Michigan though might potentially see some snow from this little system that's going to come over. So, which is not very common to see in almost late April. So, I mean, yeah, it looks like some very heavy snowfall going on there, according to the GFS. 8 inches of snow right in through there. Gonna be releasing a video montage of the Fairdale Richelle tornado this afternoon. Oh, I forgot which one that was. The Fairdale tornado. Um, any idea on what tornado I should do next? Greensburg, Kansas. And yeah, 8 inches of snow in northeastern South Dakota on April 27th. Or sorry, not April 27th, April 25th. April 9th, 2015. I think I heard of that one. Yeah, Greensburg, Kansas tornado. Yeah, that would be a. It was on May 4th, 2007, in the town of Greensburg, which it gulped the whole town. Don't know if you have you heard of that one, Greensburg, Kansas. Okay, this is I'm gonna go ahead and get back into covering this severe weather event because we're seeing some stuff going on. Yes, I have. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty that's a tornado that's pretty known because of what it did. A decaying Arcus cloud rolling into Sterling. Oh, that's in the UK. That's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, that's a rolling cloud. It's one of those big, huge. It looks like a shelf cloud coming out of the sky. Yeah, this is what it is. This is what a rolling cloud is. Yeah, that is quite interesting. Okay, there's some rotation going on here. That is an interesting thing to see on the CC. Um, it's quite linear though. Um, and I feel like I saw something in through here too. All in through here. Yeah, look at this. This is yeah, that's interesting to see. So yeah, there's some rotation here on the border of Florida and Georgia, just north of Gretna, Florida. Severe warning. Yep, that updated. Yeah, this is looking really linear though, so looks more like straight line than rotation. I mean, before here it did look like that. It did look like rotation, but now it just looks like some kind of straight line. A event going on here, headed towards uh this town. I don't know how to pronounce that. A Tapolgus. I don't know. Might want to keep an eye on this though, because it could be in the need to be tornado warned. So, guess we will keep an eye on this for however long I stream, which I was just thinking of doing it for an hour today. Nothing really major. Just trying to get another stream in. I think it's good that I am because I haven't done it in kind of a while. So, So take a look at what we're seeing here. Near the EVX radar. It's got a new flash flood warning, and we got a new tornado warning. Here's a rotation right here. Just radar indicator rotation. Okay, nothing going on the CC, so we don't know if this thing's on the ground. Rotation doesn't look like it's much, so but again, we're just gonna keep our eyes on this. That is okay. I was confused there for a second why that didn't load properly. Um, Anyway, so once this tornado warning is kind of up, then I'll probably go ahead and end the stream. Again, I was just trying to get a stream in. There's nothing too much going on today or anymore. I mean, there was a lot going on, which I probably should have streamed earlier, but I didn't. But anyways, so yeah, we're kind of seeing that rotation coming together. Right there's where I'm seeing it. Yeah, pretty nasty cell along this line of storms connected to the low. You ever seen the tornado scar in the northeast Wisconsin on Google Maps? I have not, actually. Wait, so what was that from? The tornado scar? Most prominent on Google Maps. Google Maps. Okay, hold on, let me pull it up. Oh, is this it? Oh no, that's not it. So you said it's in northeast Wisconsin. Probably be very hard to see it. I'm guessing this is it. So this is it here? It looks like it might have been a pretty large tornado. Looks like it was really big around here. Now vegetation is growing back, so it's easiest to see it in winter. Yeah, that looked like that did quite a lot of damage, for sure. What's this little thing? Anyway, yeah, wow. It was in EF3. And it looks like it kind of, hold on. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm kind of seeing a line here too, so I'm guessing it might have did some stuff up here too. It might have dropped down again as maybe a EF0. From afar, you can kind of see this line, so that's why I'm just kind of wondering. But yeah, that is pretty very prominent, tornado scar for sure. Right there. A different tornado went through out there. Yeah. Yeah, I could tell something happened here. Maybe. Way back in the 80s. So that's been a while ago. Let's see how our tornado warning's doing. Yeah, we're seeing some little bit of rotation going on there. Um, so we're just gonna keep our eyes on this one. But it's just chugging along. They believed it could have at point briefly been a borderline EF4. Wow. Yeah, it must have been a very strong tornado. If it went up to that strength. Scar from June 7th, 2007. So it's been there for a while, as I am seeing. might potentially need an extension on this tornado warning that is right now in effect. That's here in Georgia. All right. Um, what is going on here? That was really interesting. Yeah, look, that looks a bit linear for it to be really anything right there. So, all right, tornado warning is still in effect, but I think it might be expired very shortly. So, anyways, well, I think I'm probably gonna go and end the stream here. So, yeah, this is just kind of a stream to, I guess, get one in and check up on the severe weather event because I did not do a video on this one, which I hope to do a video on the next severe weather event, which will be happening on April 29th. So yeah, I'll certainly do that. But anyways, I do thank you all for watching today's stream. Hope you all did enjoy. Bye. See you this afternoon. Yes, thank you. And anyways, almost forgot. Yeah, we really don't have anything, but this is what we're currently going to be looking at for the next little while. So, day 4 right there, and it looks like we could potentially have something on day 5. But anyways, yes, I do thank you all for watching. Also, another reminder: check out our Weather for Life YouTube channel. We do weekly forecasts. Unfortunately, we did not do that one because we didn't do this week because some things did happen. Some recording errors happened, unfortunately. But so we were not able to do that. But hopefully we will do one for this upcoming week for you guys on Monday. So yes, please be sure to check out our Weather for Life channel, which the link is in the description. But anyways, I'll go ahead and see you guys soon. Thank you all for watching.